Are you a woman looking to start your own business in 2025? Whether you want to be your own boss, create financial freedom, or simply turn your passion into profit, this year brings exciting new opportunities tailored just for you. Today, we read diving into 6 of the best small business ideas for women in 2025. Ideas that are flexible, scalable, and designed to succeed in today's digital economy. AI-powered virtual assistant services. First on the list is AI-powered virtual assistant services. In 2025, businesses are outsourcing more administrative, creative, and technical tasks than ever. But here's the twist. Today's virtual assistants are leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and task automation platforms to become super assistants. If you're organized, tech-savvy, and love multitasking, this is a gold mine. You can offer services like email management, scheduling, document creation, and customer support, all from home. Specialize in a niche like real estate, coaching, or e-commerce support to charge premium rates. Digital product creation courses, templates, and printables. Next up, digital product creation. From Notion templates to online courses to wedding planning printables, digital products are exploding in popularity. The best part? You create them once and sell them endlessly. If you're creative or have expertise in a specific area, like budgeting, productivity, wellness, or parenting, you can turn that knowledge into income. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Kajabi make launching simple. This is a perfect passive income stream for busy moms, students, or anyone looking to scale without trading time for money. Personal branding and influencer marketing. Once you grow your audience, income can come from sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, digital products, and even your own merchandise. Important note, authenticity is key. Focus on building trust, not just numbers. E-commerce with a twist, sustainable or niche products. Fourth on the list is niche e-commerce, especially with a sustainability angle. This is ideal for makers, designers, or entrepreneurs passionate about impact-driven businesses. Health, wellness, and mindset coaching. Number 5 is health, wellness, and mindset coaching. The wellness economy is booming, and women are leading the way. Whether it's fitness coaching, holistic nutrition, menstrual health, or stress management, people are investing in their well-being more than ever. You don't need to be a doctor to start. Certifications from accredited programs can get you going. Offer services online through one-on-one coaching, workshops, or membership communities. Plus, this field blends beautifully with content creation and digital product sales. Local service-based businesses with a modern edge. Finally, let's not forget local service-based businesses. These are timeless, but in 2025, success lies in modernizing the experience. Consider services like mobile beauty, event planning, home organization, or pet grooming, and combine them with sleek online booking, Instagram marketing, and text-based customer support. Women who love hands-on work and building community will thrive here, especially in urban and suburban areas where convenience is king. Closing. So, whether you want to work from home, grow a digital brand, or launch something local and hands-on, 2025 is packed with opportunity. The most important step: start where you are. Use the skills you already have and build from there. If any of these ideas inspired you, let us know in the comments. Or better yet, tell us what business you're planning to launch this year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a woman who's ready to build her dream business. Until next time, stay bold, stay creative, and go build something amazing.